Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord app not opening. If you're experiencing issue with the Discord app not opening on your device, here are some steps you can try to fix it. First, you need to restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve app related issues, or you could try check for the updates. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, look out for the Discord app and tap on that app, and make sure that your Discord app is up to date. You could go to the App Store for the iOS or the Play Store for the Android and check for any available updates for the Discord app and update it. Or you could also try clearing the cache. What you have to do is press the Discord app like this, go to the app information and select the storage and cache option, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Tap on that. Or you could also try check your app permissions, go back, and here we could see the permission just below the notifications, and make sure that the Discord app has the necessary permissions to run. or or and if none of the above steps work, what you have to do is you can simply go back to the Play Store and you can simply uninstall it and reinstall back again. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the issue, and ensure that your device operating system is up to date. Sometimes updating your device's operating system can resolve app related issues as well. And if you're still experiencing issue with Discord app not opening after trying these steps, you may need to contact with the Discord support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or insights into the issue. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.